Thunderbird on-ground courses will be taught live via Zoom from your Canvas course page. If you log on to your MyASU and you see the following, please do not use your personal Zoom meeting link room to host your classes. Please follow the next set of videos to set up your Zoom meeting rooms and your Canvas course page to host and start your meetings. As Thunderbird on-ground courses are moved to online and being taught via Zoom, please let your students know that they should not be using the Attend Remotely button located on their MyASU page next to the course. Please instruct students to follow the instructions to access and join the Zoom meeting links from your Canvas course page. In this video, we will show you how to get to your Zoom account and/or activate your Zoom account if you're using it for the first time. First, start by going to a browser window and type in asu.zoom.us. Then click on the login button. It will prompt you for your ASU credentials, so please type those in. Authenticate if you're prompted to do that. For your first time login, you will be asked to confirm and accept the terms and conditions and click accept. Now that you've logged into your Zoom account, this is where you'll be able to access any meetings or recordings that you have under your Zoom account. In this video, we will show you how to integrate Zoom into your Canvas course page. First, start out by going to canvas.asu.edu and get to your course page. First, on the left-hand menu, click Account and Settings. We will first need to verify that your primary email is set to your asu@asu.edu email. There should be a star next to it. If that is not, please make sure to star that email address. Now you can go back to your course page. From the course page, on the left course navigation menu, scroll to the bottom of the page to Settings. Then from the top, make sure to select the Navigation tab. If the Zoom link is not already in the visible links menu area, scroll to the bottom section, locate the Zoom meeting link, and click and drag it to the visible options all the way to the top. Make sure to scroll all the way back to the bottom and click Save to save your changes. Now that your Zoom link is available in the course menu, please click on it. From here, you have single sign-on onto your Zoom account. Now the next step is to schedule your meeting. On the upper right-hand corner, please click on Schedule a New Meeting. Here, you will enter the details of your meeting link, enter the date and time of when your class is taking place. For example, if you're teaching a Monday-Wednesday class, select the starting day, the starting time, and the duration. In this example, it'll be 2 hours, 45 minutes. If this is a reoccurring meeting, select the reoccurring meeting option, and your reoccurrence will be weekly, taking place on Mondays and Wednesdays. Make sure to uncheck any options that you do not need, and ensure to set an end date. In this case, we'll set the end of the semester. Next, go to your video options. Check off the on option for video for host and your participants. And for the audio, ensure that the both options has been checked off. For your meeting options, uncheck the Enable Join Before Host, mute your participants upon entry, and record the meeting automatically. In the case that you need to share and have this meeting have a host, an alternate host, please enter the asu@asu.edu email address here and save your changes. Here, now you can verify that the Zoom meeting link information is correct. In the case that you need to make any changes, there's an Edit This Meeting button at the bottom of the screen and save your changes. Now that you've set up your meeting link, this is the way to get to your meeting. Go back to your course navigation, click on Zoom, and here you will see the list of all the meeting reoccurrences. and you have the Start button to the meeting to get started. In this video, we will show you how, from the student view, your students will access your Zoom meeting. They will first log on to their course page, and on the left navigation, they will click Zoom, and for them, they will click this Join button on the respective course meeting link. In this video, we will show you how students will gain access to the Zoom recordings from your previously recorded class meetings. They will go to the course page, click on Zoom from the left navigation menu, select the Cloud Recordings tab, and here they will see a list of any available recorded meetings.